These are the information. Along with that, we have to bifurcate that whether it is a standing charges and running charges. 62,500 it is per annum. Why? Because everything we are calculating per annum only. Standing charges in the sense fixed charges. Running charges in the sense your variable charges. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh here, lecturing Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the fourth session of your topic called operating costing. Under operating costing, what we are discussing now, in this we are discussing about the operating, like the cost per passenger kilometer. In the previous session we done with the total passenger kilometer, like number of buses, number of trips, everything we multiplied and we calculated. Now in today's session, not only the passenger kilometer, we will also find out the cost per passenger kilometer. So we'll go for this. The concept and problems are the agenda of your today's session. Problem number 1, particular X and Y. First one, cost of vehicle you have, garage rent you have, insurance per annum, road license, supervisor's salary, driver wages, repair and maintenance per kilometer, tire allocation per kilometer, cost of petrol per litre, kilometer run per litre, scrap value of the vehicle, estimated life of the vehicle, and kilometer run per annum. So these are the informations we have in your session. Now these are the information we have, particular X and Y we have. Now these are the information. Along with that, we have to bifurcate that whether it is a standing charges and running charges. Again I'll repeat, whether it is standing charges or running charges. Now what is standing charges and what is running charges? Standing charges in the sense fixed charges. Running charges in the sense your variable charges. Now in this cost of vehicle we take this for depreciation calculation. Garage rent per annum, it is a fixed. Insurance per annum, fixed. Road license per annum, fixed. Supervisor's salary, it is also fixed. Driver wages per hour, if it is driver wages, fixed. Per hour, variable. Next, repair and maintenance per kilometer, variable. Tire allocation per kilometer, variable. Cost of petrol per litre, variable. Kilometer run per litre, all for your working purpose. Scrap value of this is for your depreciation purpose. Hope you are clear. Yes, we'll go for this. X and Y we have. Now first we'll go for X, later we'll go for Y. Now first one, your fixed are running charges. Fixed are running expenses. So first one will be fixed are running expenses. Now under fixed are running expenses, we have to go for cost of vehicle will come later. Garage rent per annum 6,000. Garage rent, it is 6,000. Now we have insurance, it is 7,200. Insurance 7,200. And we have supervisor's salary, it is almost before that. Road license, it is 4,800. Road license 4,800. And we have supervisor's salary, it is 10,000. Supervisor salary, it is 10,000. After that we have driver wages per hour, variable. repair and maintenance variable, tire allocation variable, cost of petrol variable, all the information we have variable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total we have 4 fixed. We'll add this. So how much it is? Almost, I'll go with a calculator. 6,000 plus 7,200 plus 4,800 plus 10,000. So I got around 28,000. How much it is? 28,000. So it will be 13,000 and 17. Yes, it is 28,000. Now, after this, do we have any other information? Charge of interest on the cost of the vehicle, 5% per annum. One more fixed is there. On cost of the vehicle, 5% we have to calculate. Now, before this, we have one more fixed, interest on cost of the vehicle. What is the cost of the vehicle? 12,50,000. What is the interest? 5%. 12,50,000 into 5%. We'll calculate 12,50,000 into 5 divided by 100. I got 62,500. So what is the total now? We'll add everything. 62,500, it is per annum. Why? Because everything we are calculating per annum only. 62,500 plus 10,000 plus 4,800 plus 7,200 plus 6,000. So it will be how much? 90,500. Your answer is 90,500. 62. So almost we got 28. Yes, 90,500. Now, so what is the interest? Cost of the vehicle, it is 5% per annum. What is the cost of the vehicle? 12,50,000. On that we calculated 5%. We got 62,500. Now, up to this we completed. Again, I'll go back. Again, we go with what is the kilometer per annum it run? 40,000 kilometer. Now, so we got 90,500 divided by 40,000. How much we will get? We'll check. So it will be 90,500 divided by 40,000. I got 2.265. Your answer is how much? 2.265. These are your fixed or your running standing charges. Now, your fixed or standing charges are over. Now we'll go for variable expenses. Now, this will be variable, or we can also call it as running charges. Variable, or else we also call it as running charges. Now, variable or running charges, will go for this. So what are the variable we have? Driver wages per hour. We don't want per hour, we want per kilometer. Now, driver wages, next, driver wages. How to calculate? Now, in this we have driver wages per hour, it is 50. Per hour how much? 50. Per hour how many kilometer it runs? Per hour, kilometer run per liter, it is 20. Per hour it runs, vehicle runs 40 kilometer per hour. Vehicle runs 40 kilometer per hour. Now, how to calculate in this? Vehicle runs 40 kilometer per hour and the driver wages per hour is how much? 50. Now, you will get 50 divided by number of kilometer. Hope you are clear. 50 divided by 40. Now, this will be 50 divided by 40. It will be how much? 1.25. Directly, it is per kilometer. You can write here 1.25. 0.25. Hope you are clear. Yes. So after driver wages, what is the next one? After driver wages, what is the next one? I'll go for that. After driver wages, repair and maintenance per kilometer 1. They have given directly 1 rupee. Now, repair and maintenance, it is directly you can take 1 rupee. Now, next one is what? Tire allocation per kilometer 1 rupee. Directly they have given tire allocation expenses. Tire allocation, it is 1 rupee. Then after tire allocation we have cost per petrol per liter 65. We'll come back for that. Cost of petrol per liter is how much? 65. Kilometer run per liter is how much? 20. So you will get what is the petrol fuel cost per liter. Now easy. Cost of petrol per liter 65. So just assume that 65 rupees your fuel charges and your vehicle gives 20 kilometers per liter. Now what is per kilometer? 65 divided by 20, you will get your charges. Fuel expenses 65 divided by 20. 65 divided by 20, how much you will get? So it will be 65 divided by 20. I got around 3.25. Now, fuel expense is over. Next, after fuel expense, kilometer run is over, scrap. Yeah, from here onwards, it is only for depreciation. We'll go for depreciation. For that, we have to do small working note in this. Your asset value, how much asset value? I'll go back. Your asset value as per this, how much? 12,50,000 your asset value. 12,50,000 your asset value. 12,50,000 minus scrap value. What is your scrap value? I'll go back for that. Your scrap value as per this. The scrap value as per this is 2,50,000. Now, minus 2,50,000. What is the scrap value actually? I'll give you best example. Now, for example, each newspaper will cost you 5 rupee. After 1 month or 2 months, what you will do? You will sell it in scrap. So the scrap will be like almost one bundle will go for 10 or 12 rupee. That 10 or 12 rupees we call it as scrap value. Hope you are clear? Yes. So 12,50,000 minus 2,50,000, it will be 10 lakh. So this is what? Your actual value divided by how many kilometers the vehicle runs. The vehicle runs almost 2 lakh kilometers. See, estimated life of the vehicle is how much? 2 lakh. They have not given number of years. They have given number of kilometers. It is 2 lakh. So it will be divided by 2 lakh. So it is how much? 5 rupee for kilometer. 10 lakh divided by 2 lakh, you will get 5 rupee. Now, your depreciation as per working note, it is 5 rupee. Now, total everything. Now, we'll go for one by one. Your fixed is 2.265. 2.265 plus, we have 1.25. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 3.25 plus 5. How much you got? 13.765. 13.765. This is your cost per passenger kilometer. Hope you are clear. Your fixed and variable both are added. I'll explain you once again. We are doing X. In this vehicle, it is only for depreciation. Don't consider 12,50,000 anywhere. This is only to calculate depreciation. Then, garage rent per annum is over fixed, insurance is over fixed, road license fixed, supervisor salary also fixed. All the fixed along with you have interest 5% on your 12,50,000. That also we calculated. After adding everything, you got 90,500. 90,500 divided by number of kilometers, how much? 40,000. You got around 2.265. Then we come for all the variable. Driver wages 50 minus divided by 40. Repair is direct, tire direct. Fuel is total kilometer, total liter divided by your number of kilometer. Then depreciation we have done working note here. So asset value minus scrap, you will get actual value divided by number of kilometers. Remember, this is your life they have given. See, estimated life of the vehicle in kilometer. Estimated life of the vehicle. Estimated life of the vehicle, it is 2 lakh. If you divide, you will get 5 rupees per kilometer. So after this, you got 13.765. This will be your answer. Now the question is, what about Y? X is done. Y, what to do? Y will be homework for you. You have to do exactly what I did for X. Please watch this video once again. What I did for X. Similarly, same heading. Your question paper, your answer pattern, everything is same. Everything is same. Your depreciation also same. But we will not take anything from column 1. We have to take everything from column number 2. But this 5% and 40 kilometer common for column 1 and column 2. Clear? This will be homework for you. You have to do Y and you have to send me the final answer. What is the final answer? This will be the final answer. Please send me the final answer in the comment box. In your YouTube comment box, please send me the final answer what you got. Hope you are clear. Yes. I'll go back to all the slides so that you can take screenshot. So this is your problem number 1. Only I have done X. So these are your answer part 1. These are your answer part 2. This is a working note to calculate depreciation. So this is a working note to calculate depreciation. Now, yes, this is all about your today's session. I hope that you will answer me in the comment box. If you answer me, definitely I'll give you answer for that. I'll send you the right answer for this question. Thank you.